Alright, we're headed to Oklahoma. Shot 3D, Eufaula, Oklahoma. So we're gonna get in late tonight, but got a surprise for tomorrow, new bow. I haven't even dropped I don't guess I've dropped the build video yet, but I wanted to get this bow out because I love this bow. So I'm gonna bust it out. It is not perfect yet. The sight tape's not perfect, but I want to shoot it this weekend and see, you know, where's it off at, and then hopefully I can get a great sight tape, you know, really dialed in. So anyway, we're heading west, so stick around. All right, Rolling Bones Outdoors course, busting out the new Prime Divide, all white custom. Love this bow. Now, the sight tape is not going to be perfect. It is a quick setup. Hurry up and get this going, sight tape, because I wanted to get it out and shoot it, so it will not be right. I will miss some arrows. I will miss some targets today, but figured it's a good time as any to get some reps in. So here we go. Shot one. Rolling Bones Outdoors, Eufaula, Oklahoma. You mean pull yours? You good?
Yeah, go for it.
Good shot.
Thank you.
Mine could have been a bad shot. I'm gonna blame it on the limb I hit though. Yeah. So. Ooh, right under it. I'm a mess. Freaking dropping this, dropping that. Missing targets. Is it toast? That's fine. That's what I figured. These 5.0s aren't very tough, so. All right, I want to do a real quick intro to this video. I normally wouldn't do this, but this course, so 2 days before leaving for Oklahoma, I was practicing with this Prime and this dialed sight, and I go to turn the dial to a new distance, and the dial moves, but the sight tape doesn't. It stays the same. So, and the sight tape was pretty close. It wasn't perfect, but it was pretty close. So I thought, okay, well, the ring was loose, the whole dial was loose. I had to adjust it, and I went and got 60 or 70, I don't remember, pretty good, and then just set the sight tape to that and went with it. Well, it was off, and it took me about 12 targets to figure it out. So watch, don't judge me too harshly, because I shot horrible the first 10 or 12 targets, but I do get better. Not great, but better. So you made a great shot, and I made a shoulder shot, so. Ah. Finally made a decent shot. Still forward though. Still not where it needed to be, but. There you go. Nothing bent, nothing. It's good. I was right about there with you. 59-yard bear. Let's nick something through there, but.
I'm going to hit it. If you nicked it, I'll hit it.
Whew. I don't have many arrows to lose, so.
I guess they fixed that on the lift. The lift, they didn't have any problems with them?
The lift had problems. I wish I knew where it actually hit if I hadn't hit a limb, how would it have hit? Because if it had been a little bit higher, I'd have been fine with that. But, didn't lose an arrow. Getting blown up.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm saying.
Grab mine while you're up under there. I'll call it good. I ain't digging up under that cedar tree if I don't have to. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Right, here goes nothing anyway. We're gonna find out. Whew, I'm low. God, I barely got it. Ooh. I think your arrow might be okay, actually. I didn't see it break. Little low. You went over. You went.
A little fur back, but
You got over that.
surprised that went
You got over that limb. I go under it. I mean, I'm in the target, but I think I went under the. Yeah. I don't even care if I hit it in the leg. I'm just glad I hit it. It's a horrible shot, but I don't even care. Yeah. Grab mine while you're up there. Appreciate it. Did it hit anything on the other side? No. Punched it, but I didn't shoulder it. Well, 1 out of 20 good shots ain't a bad thing, right? Good shot. Under. How did I go under that? Man, that felt good. You said 48, I had 46. I wonder if that's what it was.
I put it on 48.
Why is my rangefinder? Go see if I can find this broken arrow that I know is broken. I don't. Just because I'm going to be down to 2, there's no chance it's not busted up, but. It's flying out a little weird, but. Here on out, I started adding a yard. We're flirting with missing again.
Yep.
Maybe 2 yards, truth be known. The longer shots, I'll add 2 yards, but these closer ones, I'll add 1.
Yeah, I would definitely add 1.
While we're waiting on our next target, that's how stupid I am. It took me 12 shots to realize I'm about 1 yard to 2 yards short on the sight tape. So all my misses have gone under, so 12 times to realize I'm an idiot, but hopefully I can make it back with these 2 arrows. All right. Yeah, your shot's good. Mine, like I said, a little left, but it's not, maybe a half yard short of where I wanted it to be.
Yeah.
Definitely better. But I was just trying to put it behind the shoulder, kind of in the, where the heart would be, yeah. So I'm a little left, but that's probably just me slamming the hinge, I was guessing. Appreciate it. You're in it. Close to a rock as you can get for a gut shot. That's crazy. I don't know what happened. Good Lord. Grazed it, but I still got in. So that's even adding 2 yards.
Man, that's crazy.
I'm still low. I mean, that's probably about where I was aiming, really, but even 2 yards. I'd have missed that joker if I hadn't added 2 yards. Good shot. Good shot. I'm getting 53 as well. 52.8. And like I said, mine auto corrects to, it doesn't tell me what it actually would be. I'm gonna shoot it for 55, even though it's downhill. What do you think? Add a couple yards and just center mass and hope and pray, I guess. Back. Yeah. Well, you made me look bad once again.
And I'm still out of a little bit.
Well,
Where
I would be
they say
more
something
upset if that's not exactly where it was when it broke.
when it broke.
Chasing that's 2 yards difference on a sight tape. The hill climb was rough. Whew. It took me 17 targets to figure out I'm 2.5 yards off, and finally got something figured out.
Yeah, that rock's good.
I finally got my life together.
I was gonna say, yeah, you're
Good gosh.
coming through there.
Is it 46 yards, just skimming a rock.
Yeah, just barely.
Yeah, that's a tough shot. We both hit a little left.
Yeah,
Dude, good shot.
see my arrow because the target's too high.
You made a hell of a shot, and I barely hit it. But I'm gonna blame it on the tree I hit. So that's what I'm gonna go with. Good shot. Good one to end it on for you. All right, Rolling Bones course, Eufaula, Oklahoma, shot 3D. Really tough course. One of the most challenging courses I've ever shot. It just trash all in the way in the first half. Not any super long shots, a lot of close shots, but the second half had some longer shots, bigger targets, open lanes, like cool over a cliff shots, a lot of really just cool scenarios. Learned a lot about my bow. My sight tapes off 3 yards at least. At the close distance, I'm about 3 yards off. So it took me about 12 targets to figure it out. Missed a couple targets and lost the arrows, blew the arrows up because I was just going under them and just hitting rocks. And if you hit anything with a 5.0, it's going to be toast. So cost me a couple arrows to learn that lesson. I should have started figuring that out before target 12. But the back half, good time, shot better, and figured out some problems. I might change my setup on that prime. I don't know if I like that dialed sight very much or not. I've got other options. I'm back and forth on that. I'll probably do a whole video, just a long-term review on the dialed sight, dialed proof. But fun time, good targets. Met a good dude out on the course. I believe it was Robert, if I'm wrong, sorry. But Robert, appreciate you shooting with me and putting up with me and my horrible shooting and letting me film stuff. So appreciate that. A lot of good people out on the courses. Met other people, met some subscribers, some fans, some watchers. Appreciate you guys. Like, subscribe, stick around. We've got a lot of Shot 3D and TAC coming up this year. So if you like that kind of stuff, you like tinkering with bows, you like getting ready for stuff like this, you want to like, subscribe, stick around. If you're looking for an e-bike, RamboBikes.com, use RRR Woods at checkout. Turkey season's coming up and you don't want to walk. Walking's lame. So get an e-bike, get a Rambo, get a reputable bike. Don't get some Chinese knockoff that you'll never be able to get customer service. If you're looking for bows, you're looking to get your bow tuned, new strings, arrows, broadheads, all that stuff. Primes, PSEs, Dartons. Go to Fish and Stuff in Sherwood, Arkansas. Go shoot a prime. You will be surprised at how smooth it is and how well it shoots. Don't let the first 12 targets of this video tell you otherwise, because that was me and a bad sight tape and just me making mistakes. But there'll be more. That bow will be back for sure. Appreciate you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, stick around. I believe Kansas, you are the next event. So be looking for you in Kansas.